Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a garlic oven roasted potatoes. It's a simple side dish to serve with any entree for a complete meal. It's crispy from the outside and creamy texture from the inside. I served it here with some fish and roasted zucchini. That was my dinner. Okay, for the ingredients, I have some red potatoes with their skin. I wash it really good. Then you cut your potatoes into 4 or 6, depend what's the size of the potatoes. Okay, now I'm finishing cutting all the potatoes. I'll put them in a mixing bowl. We will add some olive oil, like 3 tablespoons of olive oil to coat all the potatoes. Some salt to taste. Some garlic, like a half teaspoon of garlic. Another half teaspoon of black pepper. Some rosemary. If you have the fresh one, it's good, you chopped it. If not, you use the dry one. It's to taste the herbs, you put whatever you want. Some oregano, maybe 1 teaspoon of oregano. It goes very well with the potatoes. Now you mix everything until all the potatoes are coated with the olive oil and spices and herbs. In the end, I will add a little bit of smoked paprika and some chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like a kick of spice into it. We take a baking sheet or pan and we put our potatoes there. We spread it to be one layer. Then we roast the potatoes for about 40 minutes in a 400 degrees oven, preheated oven. In half time, about 20 minutes, we stir our potatoes to cook even from all sides, roast even from all sides. After 40 minutes, our potatoes were ready, crispy from the outside and creamy from the inside. They are ready to serve with any entree like fish or chicken, whatever you like. It makes a complete meal. This recipe is very easy, simple, healthy, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian. Is all what you want. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Enjoy!